Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today's topic is about how to install Centos 7 in a VMware. So without wasting time, let's get started.
Here we go.
First of all, open a VMware. After opening a VMware, click on the new virtual machine. Now choose typical and click on next. Choose I will install operating system later, then Linux and Centos 64-bit. Next, name your virtual machine. You can give any name you want. Click on next, then follow my steps as I doing. Next, customize hardware. Specify your RAM. In my case, I mention 1 GB. Choose ISO. I'm installing a Centos 7 network adapter as a bridge, and remove unnecessary devices. Close and then finish. This is our virtual machines. Click on power on this virtual machine. Double tap to enter into a screen. Press up and install Centos 7. It will take a little bit time to install, so wait for it. Now installation is started. Click on the English, continue. Now in a localization, go to date and time and select your region, and this is this time and this is date. Click on the done, then go to keyboard, English, done. Language support, click both English, done. In a software, click on done. Here you have to choose the Genome desktop. You can also choose a server with GUI, but in my case I am using a Genome desktop. Okay, done. Now installation destination, click on I will configure partitioning. Here we are going to create a separate partition for each. Create boot partition of 500 MB. Just follow my steps. You can create partition of any size you want. Swap, keep in mind that swap is of a double of RAM. Now after completing this, click on done and accept changes. Now go to KDM, enable KDM, done. Network and host name, here you can set host name for your machine. You can give a host name to your machine. This, apply, and you can also start network from here. Okay, done. Now click on a begin installation. Click a root password. Here you have to input the root password for the root user. Type same password for both. then click on the done. Create user. With this help of you can create a new user. Type full name, whatever name you can input for your user. Type password for your user, new created user. Type password again. After that, now our installation is started, but it takes a lot of time, so I fast forward it. After completing the installation, it will look like that. Complete. Just click on the reboot button. Now our little bit configuration is remaining. We're done with the installation part. Now our machine is started. Now this is the little bit configuration. Just click on accept the license agreement. Just done. And just click on the finish configuration. Now just select the user and just type the password as we mentioned before. Sign in. Okay, this is our CentOS 7 and we installed successfully. So if you want to log in with the root user, you have to just type su and the password. This is a little bit survey you have to complete. Just click on next, 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 skip, and start using a CentOS Linux. Now with the help of the su you can log in as a root. Yeah, but you have to mention a password over there. You have to type the password. Now we are logged in as a root user, as you can see. That's it guys, we're done with the installation. If you are new on my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and click on the bell icon for the latest updates.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.